Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best air fryer. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Philips Kitchen Air Fryer. The 3-quart Philips Premium Air Fryer HD 9741 is one of the best pod-shaped air fryers out there. It cooked the crispiest French fries and the most evenly golden chicken nuggets. We also like that it has only 4 pre-programmed settings: frozen fries, chicken, fish, and meat, all of which you access through a single dial on the control panel. More settings on other machines felt like overkill, since we ended up just using the manual settings regardless. But the basket of this machine is very heavy and the price tag is steep. We think this machine is most worth it if it's on sale or if you truly need the speed and convenience of a deluxe pod. Otherwise, you could get more bang for your buck with a similarly priced convection toaster oven. Number 7 in my list is Instant Vortex 5.7 QT Air Fryer. During our tests, we found the Instant Vortex cooked with more power than other air fryers, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although it's no louder than a microwave. We also love the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken. The interface on the Instant Vortex is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. And with just 4 settings, beginners won't be confused about what to use when. It also has a sleek angular look that you won't mind seeing on your countertop every day. Number 6 in my list is Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This model is sturdy, compact, and feels like it's made of quality materials, a boon when a lot of air fryer models can feel like they're made of flimsy plastic that gets too hot to touch. At 4 quarts, this model is the ideal size for cooking for 2 people and cooked all the foods we tested to a beautiful golden brown and with crisp texture. Its handy multifunction display gives it a more functional appearance than that of a futuristic robot. Plus, you can dehydrate with this model, which slows the heated air that circulates around the food so it gradually dries out kale, apple slices, and more for healthy fruit and veggie chips and other dehydrated foods. Number 5 in my list is Instant Vortex 2 QT Mini Air Fryer. While most air fryer models have a nearly 6-quart capacity, this model can only hold less than half that, making it ideal for cooking for one. Its tiny footprint also means it takes up less room on your counter and fits perfectly in a dorm room, apartment, or RV. And the smaller heating volume browned the fries, chicken, and cake we tested in it just as well as the Instant Vortex models. We also prefer this digital interface, which is easier to program than our former pick, which was manual. Number 4 in my list is Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8 Air Fryer. If you're already an air fryer convert, then you know how diverse they are. Perhaps it's time to take it to the next level. Enter the slim-profiled Ninja Foodi with its double 4-quart baskets. Take advantage of Foodi's Smart Finished feature. Finish 2 different foods cooking at different times and temps at the same time. Think chicken breasts and French fries. They did great in our tests. Or the match cook setting for larger amounts of the same food, or cook different foods using the same function, temperature, and time. The Foodi also dehydrates in addition to broil, bake, and roast. Number 3 in my list is Instant VersaZone 9 QT Air Fryer. This Instant Vortex model boasts a 9-quart capacity, which is the largest of any basket-style air fryer we've tested. A removable divider makes it easy to turn this air fryer into one cooker for a large crowd. You can fit a whole bag of frozen French fries in here easily, up to 2 pounds of chicken breasts, and even a larger cake pan. The machine crisped up fries and chicken evenly and baked the cake well. When adding the divider, the machine can cook 2 foods at once, so we tried it with French fries and bacon and both turned out well. We like the digital interface and knob for changing the temperature. This model is on the larger side though, so you'll want to make sure you have room for it on your countertop and in your pantry for storage. Number 2 in my list is Breville Smart Air Fryer. While the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a more mid-sized machine at a lower price point, we found in testing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is worth the extra money and space it occupies. The digital interface makes it an intuitive machine with 13 preset functions including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, proof, dehydrate, and warm. The rack levels are printed right on the door for ease of use. This model does a preheat cycle for most settings, which is an additional step and takes a few extra minutes, but it adds a level of precision in the cooking not seen in many of the other machines. This did every task perfectly and in a short amount of time. It has a spring-loaded door, which takes a minute to get used to, but then is a nice feature. Like the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, it comes with a 13-inch non-stick pizza tray, wire rack, broiling rack, 9x13 enamel roasting pan, air fry basket and crumb tray, and has additional accessories for purchase: bamboo cutting board, pizza stone, and pizza crisper pan. The oven will also fit standard 9x13 casserole dishes and a quarter sheet pan, which gives it versatility to cook many things. You could also fit a standard 5-quart Dutch oven in this machine if you wanted to. It also comes in several finishes, so can really be purchased to match your kitchen and decor. Number 1 in my list is Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Air Fryer. If you're looking for a powerful air fryer that's good for most home cooks, the Instant Vortex Plus is for you. The Instant Vortex Plus model is designed with a roomy basket and a sleek exterior. The interface on the Instant Vortex Plus is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. It performed all of our cooking tasks perfectly, churning out crispy fries, juicy chicken, and a well-baked cake. We found the dehydrate function perfectly dried fresh strawberries, and we could see it working well on other produce. The one downside of the model is the broil function, which is preset at 400 degrees F for 2 minutes. We tested out broiling mac and cheese, topped with extra cheese and breadcrumbs, and found that neither browned particularly well. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.